Hi guys, in last video we have discussed about MCHAT for identifying whether your child have autistic character or not. In this video you can analyze whether your children have autistic even when they are 6 months old baby. You can check in infant children's. This chat is named as CSBS DP infant toddlers. So in this there are 7 different sections. In today's video we are just going to analyze about the first 3 sections. The first section is emotion and eye glance, and the second one is communication, and the third one is gestures. In these 3 sections there are total of 13 questions. We are going to give a little brief explanation about these questions, and there will be an yes or no option between that questions. You can answer that easily. So now we can go for the questions. The first question is, do you know when your child is happy and when your child is upset? For these emotion and eye gestures, there will be commonly 3 types of options. The first one is not yet, second one is sometimes, and often. So if your child is happy, whether you can understand the child's expression, you can give sometimes or often. If you can differentiate their happiness, you can go for the answer like that. The second question is, when your child plays with toys, does he or she look at you to see if you are watching? So basically these kind of questions is more related to MCHAT. So if your child is watching TV, and basically they will look for the mother's emotions or the caretaker who is nearby them. So if they are doing that, you have to analyze whether your child is giving attention to your activities, or that means emotional activities in your facial expressions. So if they are doing so, you can write as often. If they are doing sometimes, you can go for second option, and you can't differentiate the action, then you should go for not yet. The third question is, does your child smile or laugh while looking at you? These smiling and laughing gesture will appear at the month of 3 to 4 itself. So even at 6 months your child is not doing, you should go for not yet option. The fourth question is, when you look at and point to a toy across the room, does your child look at it? So if you point at something, does your child look at, means we should take option of often. If they are not doing it, you should go for not yet. These are the first section, which is emotion and eye glance. The second section is communication, where how your child is communicating with you. These communication questions will differ from each month, but you can answer via a basic knowledge from your child. So the fifth question is, does your child let you know that he or she needs help or want an object out of reach? So if your child wants something on their shelf and your child is on the floor, whether they are trying to communicate with you to get the object from the shelf. If they are doing so, you should go for the option often. If they are not, you should go for not yet. The sixth question is, when you are not paying attention to your child, does he or she try to get your attention? When you are not giving any attention to your child, they will give some actions, or they will just rub on you, or they will just call you, and they will pick your dress and they will scratch it. If they are doing something like this, they are expecting some attention from you. If your child is doing so, you should go for often. If they are doing rarely, you should go for option sometimes. So the seventh question is, does your child do things just to get you to laugh? So some children will start to play earlier, that means in the month of 13, 14. After the age of 1, they will start to give some attention to seek your emotional expressions from your face. So basically the first action they will love is the smiling nature of their mother. If your child is doing like that, then it is a good thing. You should go for an option for often. If they are not trying any kind of attentions, any kind of actions for getting your emotional expressions, then you should go for not yet. These signs usually occur for 12th or 13th month only. So if your child is 6 months, you can just neglect this option and you can go for the next questions. How does your child try to get you to notice interesting objects just to get you to look at the object, not to get you to do anything with them? So this can appeal for 7 or 8 months itself. Basically, child will play with an object and they don't want anything to do with the object, but still they want you to observe the object. If they are trying to get your attention, then it is a normal child behavior. You should go for offhand. If they are not trying anything like this, then the answer is not it. So these are the communication gestures. Basically everything is attention seeking thing. So the next topic is gestures. The ninth question is, does your child pick up objects and give them to you? Basically if they want something, they will get from our hands, and they want to give us something, they will just take the object and put it on their laps or head, whatever that is nearby them. If your child is doing so, then you should go for offhand option. If your child is not, you should go for not yet or sometimes. And the 10th question is, does your child show objects to you without giving you the object? This is like attention seeking. Whether you are observing my actions or you are neglecting me, they will check your actions. So for that they will give you something, but they won't like when you take the object away from them. So if your child is doing like this, you should go for offhand option. And if sometimes it's a second option and it is not at arrived, then it is not at option. So 11th question is, does your child wave to greet people? These occurs at the age of 12-13 months only. So if your child is below, you can just neglect, or you can apply an option for not at. If your child greets for other people like smiling or waving their hands, you can go for offhand option. So 12th question is, does your child point to objects? Usually when child needs something, they will point out the object and they will try to get it. So if your child is doing so, then you can go for offhand option. Then if you are not, you can go for not at option. The last question is, does your child nod his or head to indicate you? So if they want something, they will just nod, or they will blink, or they will smile. They will give some facial expressions. Apart from facial expression, they should actually nod, like shaking their heads from up and down. If they are doing these kind of activities or actions, you should go for the option offhand. If they are not, you should go for not at. So basically these are the first 3 sections to identify the 6 months baby. The first one is emotion and eye gesture, the second is communication, and third one is the gestures. So within these 3 you can analyze whether your child is normal or not. You can also compare these things with a milestone. If you go for MCHAT, you shouldn't go for this. MCHAT is only for worldwide. That means it was designed by an American, so it will be more suitable for American children. This chart is designed by Indian, so if you are an Indian, this chart will be perfectly suitable for you and your child. This chart should be done only by the caretaker or a parent who is always nearby the child whom you are taking this test. So thank you. This next part will be continued on my next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell button. If you have any queries, just comment it below. We can discuss it about it on the next video. Thank you.